the Vanpowers Manidae. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Vanpowers Manidae Electric Bike. This is how the bike comes in when delivered. It's double boxed and one of the better packaged e-bikes that I have seen. You can also see the foam and plastic protecting the bike. It does require some assembly and the user guide will help you through the process, along with a video from the main website which I have linked below. Inside it comes with the pedals, reflectors, tools, thumb throttle, charger, and user manual. Here it is fully assembled and it should take no longer than an hour. Basically you have to attach the front wheel, handlebars, pedals, thumb throttle, and reflectors. Just to highlight some specs and features, the Manidae comes in a lead foot gray color. It has a Bafang 750 watt brushless gear motor, aluminum alloy frame, 70 mile range, 28 mile per hour top speed, thumb throttle and 5 pedal assist modes, front hydraulic suspension forks with 95mm travel and lockout, 8 gears with Shimano shifter, 26x4 tires, LCD display, and a 264-pound max load. And here is a look at the overall dimensions. The bike weighs in at 68 pounds. A brief walkthrough around the bike, you will see that the front has a front light, 26x4 tires, front suspension, and disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back you have the battery key, kickstand, disc brakes. On the other side, you have the rear motor, 8-speed cassette, and rear derailleur. Looking at the handlebar area, you have the brakes, throttle, controls, LCD display, and gear shifter. Powering up the display, you can toggle from odometer and trip by pressing the power button. Pressing the up button will increase the pedal assist levels, and pressing the down button will decrease it. Holding the up button down for a few seconds will turn the front headlight on, and you can see the icon when it's activated. And finally, this has a walk assist feature. Just press the down button for a few seconds and the motor will activate. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out and see how it does off-road, show the different pedal assist levels, test the brakes, see how it does going up inclines, and give my thoughts. Okay, now I'm going to test it out on this hill and see how it does, and also on the grassy area. It's going to be a bit bumpy, so let's see how the suspensions handle it. Again, this does have the front suspensions, and you can see how much travel there is there. So let's go see how it does. I'm using the throttle and then pedal assist 5 right now. Yeah, front suspension is definitely absorbing a lot of the bumps here. And the fat tires do help. Okay, now I'm going to take it down this rough trail and let's see how it handles it. The bike feels solid. It picks up pretty quick, as you can see here. Good amount of torque. And the motor is very quiet. The seat is pretty comfortable. It's a little bit firm. It's not too bad. Now I'm going to test out the acceleration. This has 5 pedal assist levels. So we'll cycle through the different pedal assist levels and then bring it up to the max speed, and then I'll hit the brakes. So let's start off with pedal assist 1. All right, we're at about 9 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour. Pedal assist 2. Definitely feel the power there. 14 miles an hour. 3. About 18. 4. About 21 miles per hour. And 5. About 24 and a half right now. $25. And I'm going to hit the brakes. Okay, with the 5 pedal assist levels, I got up to about 25 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Now I'm just going to use the throttle and let's see how it does. About 20 miles per hour right now. About 24 and a half. And I'm at 25. Hitting the brakes now. So hit about 25 miles per hour with the throttle only. Just to give you a look at how the brake performs, you can see the stopping distance by using the parking lines as a guide. I'll take it to max speed, and as soon as I get into view, I'll hit the brakes. Now I'm going to test and see how it does on inclines. This road has a gradual incline up, and I'm just going to use the throttle and let's see how it does. Okay, 20 miles per hour, 22, 24, and now we're going up the road here. Nice steady incline. Maintaining about 23 and a half right now. $24. Let's see how it does on this little turn here. So as you saw there, it made it up that incline, hit about 24 miles per hour, but maintained about 22, 23 on the way up. So let's see how it does going down here. We're definitely going to pick up some speed. Again, I'm just using the throttle right now. About 24 and a half right now. Nice, steady, smooth ride. Handlebars are stable, firm. I don't hear any rattles. Motor is nice and quiet. So about 24 miles an hour going down that road. Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly was straightforward and the video is helpful. I do wish the throttle was in place already instead of having it as an optional install. The frame feels rigid and solid, and the front suspension forks help in rough surfaces, along with the fat tires. The handlebar length and height was good for me, being 5'10" as reference. The motor is not that loud, but you will hear it when you're ramping up the acceleration. It has plenty of power and it gets moving quickly. The brakes catch on and there's good stopping power. And the ride is smooth and stable through my testing. No rattles or noises. The seat was fairly comfortable, but it's a little bit firm. I managed to top out at about 25 miles per hour with just the throttle. And on pedal assist 5, I was able to hit 27 to 28 miles per hour. This has an advertised range of 70 miles. The display is simple and easy to read even on a sunny day. Some things that I would have liked to have seen, especially at this price point. I would have liked to have seen hydraulic brakes, front and rear fenders, rear light, and a more updated display, as there are many competing bikes in this range with these features. Overall, I feel this is a solid fat tire bike, and another option if you're seeking this style. There's plenty of power and it's a stable ride throughout. So that is my review of the Vanpowers Manidae electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.